This case involves a 73-year-old male who sustained a distal rectus femoris avulsion after a fall into a flexed knee. This MRI shows the rupture and proximal retraction of the rectus femoris. After the administration of general anesthesia, the patient is positioned in the supine position with a bump under the ipsilateral hip. The entire ipsilateral extremity up to the iliac crest is prepped and draped to access the entire rectus femoris muscle. A 5 cm incision is made in the midline and centered just distal to the retracted rectus femoris bulge that is often palpable. Dissection is carried down to the level of the extensor mechanism. The tendinous portion of the rectus femoris is identified and mobilized. The tendon is then carefully teased out using forceps and Metzenbaum scissors. A number 2 fiber loop suture is used to whip stitch the distal tendon and fascia. The tendon mobility is assessed to determine if the tendon can be advanced to the donor site. With the knee in full extension, a free needle is used to pass one limb of the fiber loop suture as far distally as possible and is then passed into the common extensor tendon approximately 8 cm distally. A Mason-Allen type configuration is utilized due to the advancement of the tendon with the intention of improved pull-out strength. Mobility is assessed again to ensure that the tendon will be advanced to the desired distal location. The length is secured using alternating half hitches. Finally, the repair is further reinforced with a running epitendinous suture tape. This begins superior medially in the fascia of the rectus muscle and is run inferiorly, incorporating the muscle belly, then back proximally on the lateral end, finishing at the proximal lateral muscle fascia. After the epitendinous suture, the knee is taken through a range of motion to assess the stability of the repair and to help dictate the early range of motion restrictions.